Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a cool button effect like this. Alright, let's get started.
Click plus and then button, drag button, and then go to style, typography, family poppins like this. For size is maybe 35 like this. Content, type, layer and more. Add icon, click this and type arrow, and then click insert. For icon position, select and set icon spacing like this. 10. Okay. Copy CSS code. CSS code I put on description. Copy and click this. Go to advanced and then click custom CSS and paste this. Paste and then copy this code. Copy and then go to layout, CSS classes and paste like this. Cool effect. And you can change the color. Go to custom CSS. The color you can change maybe white, FF like this, or 000000 like this. To make it easier, you can use the Essential Add-ons plugin, the link in the description below. You can check. Click plus and type button, creative button, drag here. Just like this. Wow, amazing effect. You can go to the style, and for the effect you can set button effect like this. Winona like this. Ucharak like this. Moira like this. Hamaya like this. Ryan like this. Pipaluk like this. Muma like this. And then wave like this. Island like this. Wow. And then Saikui like this. And then Wapasha like this. And then Nuka like this. And then Anti-Man like this. And then without like this, and then scuba like this. You can use the essential add-on plugin. I have included the link in the description below. You can check.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.